Wheel truing. Hello and welcome to this session on wheel truing. In the previous session, we have already seen what wheel truing is. The wheels of a motorbike that spin straight and round add to the motorcycle's performance. However, there may be problems during the ride if the wheel is out of true. Hence, truing is occasionally needed to keep the rim running straight as it spins between the brake pads. Spoke tension is adjusted by tightening or loosening a threaded nut called the nipple at the end of the spoke. In this session, we will learn how to true the wheels of a motorcycle. Before we go into the procedure, first let's take a look at the tools and materials. The tools and materials required are flat tip screwdrivers, cloth for wiping, spoke adjustment spanner and small adjustable spanner. We will now see the steps involved in truing the wheel. Make sure the motorcycle is stable. Immobilize the handlebars by locking them or trying them down. You can also use the screwdriver over the front wheel forks as the truing tool and do not require the tire and tube removal twice. This technique for truing is also less complex than teaching someone to true a bare rim and getting all the spokes to equal tightness. With the wheel front raised, turn the wheel slowly and check for lateral and vertical oscillation. Hold a flat blade screwdriver near the rim and observe the changes in the gap both in the up-down and the right-left directions. The usable limit is 2 mm in the vertical direction and 2 mm in the horizontal direction. If there is deformation of the rim on the spoked wheels, replace the rim. Inspect the spokes for looseness by tapping them with a screwdriver. If a spoke does not sound clearly, or if it sounds different from the other spokes, tighten it. Tap on the spokes and be sure that the clear metallic sound can be heard on all the spokes. The spoke nipples are made of soft material. Be sure to tighten the spokes with a proper size spoke spanner or an adjustable spanner if a clear metallic sound is not heard. After tightening, check the rim for trueness. This brings us to the end of the session. In this session, we have learned the steps involved in truing the wheels of a motorcycle. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you.